Hello everyone. In today's example we will go over an example of how machine learning can be used to predict the price of used cars. Let's look at a scenario. The inventory manager has historic sales of how much used cars were previously sold for. He would like to train a machine learning model using his data. The machine learning model will help the inventory manager predict how much a new lot of used cars can possibly sell for. Some of the features that are included in his data are the car type, the brand, year and month of registration, the type of gearbox the car uses, the number of kilometers the car has driven, the type of fuel used, if there is any damage to the car or not, and the price the car was sold at. Let's look at how we can use the historic data to create a machine learning model using SpeedWise ML, also known as SML. The first step is to upload your data onto SML. After uploading my data, I am going to create a machine learning experiment and select the target column that we would like to predict. In our use case, we are predicting the price for each car. The next step is data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is a required step in machine learning in which the data is encoded and transformed in a readable format for the model. SML has very powerful preprocessing capabilities that allows users to quickly process and clean their data in real time. SML automatically applies the preprocessing steps for new users, but for more advanced users manual preprocessing is available. Now we are ready to train a model. Training multiple machine learning models is as easy as adding items to a shopping cart. I will use the autopilot mode to train the model, however there is a manual option for more advanced users. Great, now that our model is trained, we can visit the playground page. The playground page gives the user many options to learn more about their model trained, as well as to use the model to make predictions. Some options we have include viewing the model score. The true versus prediction plot shows how accurate the model is. As you can see over here, most of the data points lie inside the 20% red error bands. Users can also view which features contributed to the model the most. In this case, you can see that the features year of registration, power, and kilometer weighed more heavily than other features. Finally, I would like to make a prediction using the tool. I can make a prediction in two ways. The first way is to use a file. I can upload a file with new rows of data and leave my target column empty. In this case, the car dealership manager can add the data for all of the cars that he is interested in purchasing and leave the price column empty. The machine learning tool will generate a prediction value for how much each car can sell for. The second way is by manually making a prediction. I can change any field and click Predict. For example, if I change the number of kilometers used in the car to 200,000 and can now click Predict, it will show me the new prediction value of the car. I hope this use case was helpful. If you would like to see more use cases of how machine learning can be used to solve different problems, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment on what you would like for us to solve next.